Before we came on this trip, I was feeling a bit actually excited because I was wondering, I wanted to know a bit more about Italy.
The history is amazing, like seeing stuff like the Colosseum and the Leaning Tower of Pisa.
I was really surprised when I saw it and I was like, wow.
Just doing this travel will probably help me a lot. If I ever go with my friends, I'll be able to take them to places. It's helped me to be more organised with packing. I'd rate Trafalgar, it'd be 10 just because they've been amazing with everything. I don't think I could ever organise this by myself or my parents.
Now I know when I'm older, I'll know where to go and what to do.
It gets me ready for the future and makes me more curious about the world.